night, so we'll just end on the Starlight Parade. That was fine. So yeah, nice. We had a few storms yesterday, so we didn't know if the parade was going to be on, but it was, so that was good. A bit more of a chill day today. We're off to Animal Kingdom, which is not for us a full day. It's a park, so just a leisurely breakfast at the resort, and then a bit of an amble about, see how the day goes.
Bit of Everest.
Bit of Everest.
Bit of Dinosaur.
Yeah, a bit of Dinosaur. Bit of Flights of Passage.
Maybe a cheeseburger pod.
Cheeky Nomad Lounge.
Oh, yes.
Drinkies. Lovely. Kate's got the first Mickey waffles of the trip. Yay, yay. There they are. Yum. Some bacon, a bit of bacon, and a lot of maple syrup. Enjoy. Hello from Animal Kingdom. Here we go. The glorious day, shaping up to be.
Right there.
Nice little cooling bus ride, nice breakfast. That's Caribbean Beach, quick service location, which was very nice actually. All of our food was good. So yeah, all good. And we're now at Animal Kingdom. I'm just going to go through security, so I'll pop you away for a moment. Get back to you. Here we are, Animal Kingdom. Good morning to you. And here we are, glorious Animal Kingdom. Happy days, happy days. So I'm going to wing it a bit today, see what crowd levels are like, see what we can get on, and then yeah, have a wild day. Here we are. Big tree. It's not wrong, it is a big tree. So we're heading off to Everest, we've decided. It's a very short wait, so we're going to go there first. We might get 2 goes on that this day, if we can, because this is our only trip here, so we want to make sure we get it done.
Hello.
Hello.
See Mr. Kamal's later.
I don't know, might. Probably not, probably be too full. But we maybe. Gotta go Mr. Kamal's, although it's never been the same really since they changed the whole saucy situation. Still good, but you know, if you want a quick snack, very good. Not complaining. Adventurers Outpost, I'm hoping to go in there later because I would like to see Mickey and Minnie in the safari outfits. So 25-minute queue already, so we won't do that just now, but I might do it later. So here we are in Asia, heading to Everest, as you do. Thought we'd go see the Disco Yeti very first thing. Why not? Theme in here is off the scale, honestly. Beautiful. So very beautiful. Drink a walla. It's nice, isn't it? It's very nice food in there, very nice. It's a bit like what's that Indian we like in Birmingham?
Oh, Dishoom.
Dishoom, it's a bit like Dishoom. Still feels like a big waste of a space, this lake with nothing, absolutely nothing going on. All the steps. I need to put a show in there, I think. Go on, Everest. Do it. Construction walls up in Dinoland, USA, thereabouts. This is going to make way for the whole Encanto land, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, at the moment, construction walls central. So we are heading to Dinosaur, which will probably be our last ride ever on Dinosaur. Because I guess next time when we come it will be closed for retheming, and the retheming is going to be Indiana Jones. So be our last go on Dinosaur this year, I think. So yeah, get that last one in, haven't you? You know, I guess you won't be here next time we come, so very sorry. Nice to see you. Bye. You're sending Poppy a dinosaur pic.
Yeah, we took the selfie and he's over our shoulder. He's doing the picture.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Don't forget.
So we just did Dinosaur for our last ride ever on it. I do love always loved Dinosaur, but honestly, it was a lot shakier than we remembered. So I think it probably is in need of a refurb. Because honest to God, it shook the bejesus out of us. It was dead shaky.
It's like they turned up the daftness in the tent.
It was all like bang your knee and that elbow central. But anyway, it was a good laugh. Glad we've done it for our last one. We're going to have just another go on Everest while the queue's not too bad. So yeah, that's our plan. We're going past. It'd be rude not to. And just like that, we are in Africa. So I think we're going to safari maybe. Yeah, safari I think. Our safari bus has arrived.
Right side, I do see no copy. Do copy of Asian forest animals. They spend so much time hiding in the forest, but actually I'm not sure how many you copy there are. One thing we do know about them, you copy south. The black rhinos are very solitary. They prefer their alone time. As far as rhinos go, the black rhino is one of the smaller subspecies of rhinos, but they can still get to be about 3,000 pounds. Peeking at us through the bushes on the right side, light tan forest antelope is a greater. Now looks like coming up ahead on our right, we got some Hartman's Mountains. We got a giraffe on our right, and hiding in the bushes to our left, I do see some wildebeest. Now wildebeest, they're migrating animals and they're herd animals. So that means they like to move and they like to move together. About 1.5 million wildebeest will migrate anywhere from 500 to 1,000 miles within a year. And the dragon on the left side.
Oh, Danny, those are the ones from the name.
Now elephants, they are very social animals. Elephants do live in a herd. But start to mature within their early teenage years. Once they start getting into those teenage years, it's not uncommon for the male elephants to leave palest pink. Flamingos do get their pink color from their diet. It comes from the brine shrimp they like to eat, which is very rich in beta-carotene, which gets absorbed through their feathers and comes out that pink color. So when flamingos hatch out, they actually hatch kind of a whitish-gray color. They develop their pink over time, usually reaching their full pink potential at around 2 years old.
Let's get it in picture. There we go. It's called Creature Comforts. That's your Starbucks location here. It's on Discovery Island. As you come in, left-hand side. So, yeah. No. That's it. Might be some churros or something. Always checking out the ears. We've got to check the ears, see if we missed anything exciting. They're a bit dull, aren't they? They're a bit samey. Yeah. Yeah. Disney dogs and cats. Winnie the Pooh's quite sweet. Yeah, obviously. Randomly. That's cute. Cute. You centred, that is so cute. Oh, bother. Cute. Tigger ears. Oh, that's a sweet dress. Love that. That's very cute. Animal Kingdom, Nomad Lounge. We come here quite a lot. Nice drinkies, some snacks, and some very tired people. Some very tuckered out people. That's the heat, we think. Killing us a bit today. I don't know, but anyway. The drinks have arrived.
And it's not that much smaller than yours.
Dave's got a tempting tigress. Is it tempting, Dave?
It is. Tempting me to drink it all and have another one.
Kate's got some lean. What is it? Lean. What's in it? Do we know? Rum.
Rum, pineapple, banana liqueur, syrup, walnut syrup.
All the best bits then.
Oh yes, very nice.
Good stuff.
Very banana.
Very banana. I haven't. And the port fizz, which is passion fruit, gin and prosecco. So yeah, very nice to. Delish. Sharp. Nice. Nomad Lounge done. It's a little delight.
They're just sparkly drink here.
Yeah, and the Porna fizz, very nice. So yeah, it's a nice little brief
Cool
hour
off in
of
the AC.
yeah, chilling. Nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Bit of go back inside. We just got out. Kate wants to go back in. Is that because you need some churros and some more dipping chocolate? Dipping chocolate. So we have a light in lane for flights of passage in Pandora. So we're just going to do that. I don't know what is happening to us, but anyway. No, it does not. So yes, heading into Pandora. It is like mega hot like right now. It must be 1,000,000 degrees. Anyway, also can recommend the churros at Nomad Lounge. Come with 2 little dipping sauces. So you can get Mexican chocolate today or vanilla cream. Oh, it's gorge. You want to go around? Go around in a circle so we can get a good picture of the floating mountains. Very nice.
Well, you sort of divide pool temperature, it really is.
Well, then
going to buy a Banshee. What's that stand by? 55 minutes.
But never, yeah, no thanks. It used to be way long, hadn't it? Baby lizard. Yeah, that's Navi River. Just wanted to walk around and have a look at the land, a little film off. That's Kate, thanks. In Flights of Passage. Or we might wear shorts. We're just discussing tonight's outfits. As you do. We wear a lot of similar clothes, Kate and I, so we have to compare, otherwise we'll turn up in the same outfit. Yeah. We're on the lightning lane now, Flights of Passage. So the wait time's only 50 minutes actually, which in the middle of the day is not too bad, to be honest. But anyway, no waiting for us. So, we're on our way in. Flights of Passage is done. It's good.
If we get there and it's gone over 15, we won't do it.
Over 15.
That was worth it with the lightning lane, weren't it? There?
Yeah, it's good.
All done.
Saves the missing
You
on
cut
and
out
off.
all that daftness in the
queue as well.
queue
don't
down,
you?
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just heading back to. We're going to go now, but then we're just heading back to Everest because we've just discovered it's a very short queue. So hopefully we'll get there before the queue gets bigger.
Keep an eye on it.
Yeah. Let's go.
Cool.
I liked it when they did the boats on the river going by with the characters on. That made me happy. The flotillas, that's the word I was after. They don't do those anymore. It's a shame, isn't it? I liked a flotilla.
Really nice and it's fun.
I liked a flotilla.
I wanted the job of the drummer. I like sitting on the boat drumming for like an hour, doing nothing.
Sticker malls. Oh, season fries. Definitely worth the go if you've not tried them.
Down there, the birds.
Delicious. Delicious. Season fries. Delightful. Oh, that is a wrap on us for Animal Kingdom today.
We had a picture here, didn't we?
We did. We all took it out. We're heading back. And it's been like all kinds of crazy.
You know what we're in?
I just want to get back there.
Get back.
Salt and pepper shakers.
Yeah, we managed to get them on our salt and pepper shakers that we've been after for ages. So, la how sad are we? So anybody who comes to food at our house will have salt and pepper shakers at like the monorail ones. Yeah, we've got trash can ones already, now we've got the monorail ones. How sad. How many salt and pepper shakers can one couple need?
One for the upstairs, one for the downstairs. It's a 3-storey house.
How much salt and pepper you want upstairs?
I have quite a lot of mine.
Anyway.
My blood pressure's.
Anyway, that's a wrap on Animal Kingdom for us. We will. We're heading out to Disney Springs later. We've got a reservation at Chef Art Smith's, so you can join us there. Doing a bit of shopping first, and then a lot of food. Chef Art Smith's, some drinkies, and yes, hopefully a nice, relaxing evening. So we'll catch you when we get back later. When we jump back on later.
I'm going to walk around. Just look a bit dark down here. Oh, Ron John.
You're not looking there.
You're going Ron John, aren't I?
Blonde pig up there.
Better go Ron John because I need some swimming shorts because I nearly had an incident. Mine fell off. So, have you seen this stuff? Fabletics?
No.
Price of that? That's
What is it?
it's all sports gear, but you have to buy stuff. It's a subscription.
No.
You have to buy it. And you think, I don't know. I've been shorts come through, like bits and bobs. Super driver. Quite a few here tonight, eh? Oh, it's quite a few here any night. Right, let's go and have a look in Ron John first. you enjoy yourself in Sephora, Trace?
I suppose. I did. Thank you, yes.
And in one small bag as well?
I know, I only bought one small bag of things. Well, then it's only little bits. They don't take up much room. I spent plenty of money, don't worry.
Yeah. Just listen to the thunder and the lightning.
Hello, Chef Art Smiths. We're going to close our video out here tonight. We're just about to start eating. We have been to Wine Bar George, as usual. Paid for my lovely glass of wine recommended by the lovely bartender, and then we've got so much food, it's unreal.
Hot chicken sandwich.
What? Hot chicken sandwich? Hot chicken sandwich. God knows what Dave's got over there. It's got a harvest or something, got a fried chicken salad, and I've got the harvest garden salad or something, but with pretend chicken, not real chicken. So yeah, cheers, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Night night.